Okay, good morning everyone. Today I just walking across here and I see one pump is this automatic motion that they just made the air pipe in the middle here, and this air the last air pipe, the first air pipe and the middle air pipe, and this is the output. So what they do is they have the check valve in the intake water, and they just push like this, going back, and then the air pressure is very strong. But if not strong enough, they have here the air valve to pump from the air pump, this one air pump manual. So we can just pump to continue pressing the water. Actually here all full, the water is full filled, but here just has a little bit space with the air pressure. So we just pump like this to make sure that the air pipe is have enough air to push the water back to there, because it's impossible to push the water returning back, because over there have the valve the check valve at the bottom. So I try to push, make sure that you will see strong water. You will see strong water. And okay, I have enough one, and I will open here. You will see it will automatic motion by this air pipe to push the water out. All the air is coming, but with the water as well. You can see the water very strong. Okay, so I just opened 50% only. So the air is try to push out very strong, and the water continue coming very strong. Okay, so to make sure the soil is not broken, I just put the basket here. Woohoo! This is 100%. Okay, it's working now. Something complicated, but very simple. If you want to see more detail about how to make this one, I will put the link description in the description, and you can follow that link. You will see someone who made this project. So thank you very much for watching my video today, and hope you enjoyed and share this video. Bye.